Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining today. This is your host Nino, inviting you to wave bye-bye to macOS Sequoia on this 2017 MacBook Air. How that fits together? Well, it has already been patched to this version of macOS via the OpenCore legacy patcher at the time, nowadays called simply the OpenCore patcher. And I have now received an installation invitation for macOS Tahoe. Commonly, I had no intention of upgrading further, but as Apple announced that this is going to be the final Intel macOS, I decided to nonetheless jump and do it. So let us see whether this is going to run in an acceptable fashion or whether I'm going to regret day and night for having started this adventure. And now I click upgrade now. And now we wait and wait until it downloads it and starts installing it. Nearly got it. And about to restart in 12 seconds to install updates. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And restarting. I'm rather curious how this will end up. So here we're getting greeted by a little, not exactly swiftly moving white bar, and I assume that is going to take a good amount of time in and of itself. Let's see how this is going to progress. And the white thingy just stopped. It briefly shows me a hard disk, and we get again this white thingy moving there, the bar. Well, this one is progressing a little faster. And now it's stuck again, more in line with what I would normally expect from a 16 gigabyte download. And again, it just vanished, rebooted and reappeared here with the hard disk. I think it is just simply going to do this a couple of times, where it each time loads a little, then reboots, then loads a little, then reboots, and so on and so forth. Yeah, that's what it does. It gets to a point and then slows down. But I believe this is normal. It is now telling me about 2 minutes remaining. That is not a correct time frame. It takes clearly longer. And it is showing up there a cursor, but if you touch the touchpad and try to do anything, it does not actually change the cursor's position. And the blackness just vanished, and we're greeted with this screen with turning wheels, one here, one there. It does properly detect the time, so some form of networking even might be connected. The touchpad is as of yet unresponsive. And I am invited to enter my password. I shall do now exactly that and press enter. Let's see where it gets me. I tried entering my password, but I did not have the impression that that was actually possible. In fact, I have the feeling that it no longer reacts on the keyboard and it doesn't do anything. This, of course, is not good news. Okay, so basically the keyboard is out of commission, and if I press the on-off button, may be able to shut it down, but it is not going to react on that. I might try it with an external keyboard. Let's see whether that is going to get me anywhere. It does not seem to react on the external keyboard, so I'll have no other choice but rebooting it. Can I click here? Yes, I can. Okay. Initially it didn't want to, but here in this screen I could click the mouse pad and it would start booting macOS. Let's see, was the issue merely temporary or is it a deeper problem that will need more fixing? Okay, it made a bit of a break, but is now reappearing. Your password is required to log in. Sure, that's lovely, but I don't seem to be able to type, and once again the touchpad is not working. It is getting ridiculously frustrating. Even as I boot it in single user mode, guess what? The keyboard is still not working. And back I am on my little farm installing OS X El Capitan. Great. Just great. No. Come on. It should be installed on a different disk. Oh, please don't tell me it doesn't even recognize that. Really, do stay away from Tahoe. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the result of today's amazing adventure. Hope you enjoyed it and at least feel properly warned lest you end up like Icarus the way I did. Hope to greet you here soon again for perhaps more successful ones. If not yet a member of our friendly club, consider joining. Until we meet again, I wish you a wonderful time, and from me, goodbye.